Welcome, thrill seekers. Are you ready to dive deep into the ocean's darkest corners and meet some of the most terrifying creatures lurking beneath the waves? Today, I'm unveiling the top 10 scariest creatures of the deep ocean. Let's start with number 10, the fangtooth. This fish, with its oversized teeth and ghoulish appearance, looks like it swam straight out of a nightmare. Despite its fierce look, it's only a few inches long, but don't let its size fool you. In the deep, dark ocean, it's a formidable hunter. Moving on to number 9, the goblin shark. This rare species, often referred to as a living fossil, is truly a sight to behold with its unique protruding jaw and nail-like teeth. It's like the ocean decided to create its own horror movie character. At number 8, we have the viperfish. With its metallic blue and black body and light-producing organs, it can lure its prey right into its sharp, fanged mouth. It's not just their appearance that's alarming, it's their hunting tactics that are truly spine-chilling. Are you feeling the chills yet? Oh, we're just getting started. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we continue our countdown and reveal even more monstrous marine creatures that roam the depths of our oceans. From the grotesque to the downright alien, these creatures remind us that there's a whole other world beneath the ocean's surface, a world that remains largely unexplored and as mysterious as the creatures themselves. Thanks for joining me on this eerie journey. If you dare, join me next time as we dive deeper into the abyss. Until then, keep exploring, and remember, the ocean's nightmares are more fascinating than frightening. Or are they? See you in the deep, dark waters.